Hello. Today we are going to learn how to install the SolarEdge EV charging single-phase inverter. Let's start with a short introduction. Unlike traditional EV chargers, which require a separate electrical connection and only charge from the grid, the SolarEdge EV charging inverter enables you to have an integrated system that charges your electric vehicle directly from solar energy or a combination of grid and solar energy, saving time and money. To enable EV charging, install an EV charger cable either during inverter installation or at any time after your solar PV system is installed. Just attach and activate the SolarEdge EV charger cable, configure the system, and you are ready to charge. The EV charger cable kit contains a cable, a wall mounting holder, a cable lock, and an installation guide. For installation, use a level, tape measure, 4 screws, 4 screw anchors, a screwdriver, drill bits, and a drill. Align the white arrows on the cable connector with the white dot on the connector at the bottom of the inverter. Plug the connector into the EV connector of the inverter. Rotate the cable connector clockwise to fasten it. Use the supplied locking ring to secure the connection. Find a convenient location to mount the holder. Keep the required clearance to allow for cable storage. To mount the holder, slide off the cover, position the wall mounting bracket against the wall and mark the drilling hole locations. Drill the holes. Mount the bracket using its 2 upper holes. Position the cable with the plug at the top in the groove of the wall mounting bracket. Secure it with the cable holding bracket and 2 screws. Slide the cover on and secure it with 2 screws. Plug the cable into the holder. Next, activate the EV charger using the SolarEdge monitoring app in order to enable charging. Download the monitoring app and tap its icon. Log in using your monitoring platform username and password. Tap the car image. Tap Activate EV Charger. Follow the on-screen instructions. Use your mobile device to scan the code on the cable plug and serial number on the inverter, or enter it manually. Congratulations! The EV charger is activated and ready for configuration. Please join us in the next clip that shows how to configure and monitor charging.